Welcome. Let's make a zine. I'll show you how to make the basic zine first, and then we'll make a heart-shaped one. I've got quite a collection of all the different shapes we've been making, and once you start making zines, it's hard to stop. They are such fun. Come down a bit closer and I'll show you. I've been using magazine paper. Go where your heart takes you. And yeah, just paper from a magazine. Any size. This is just copy paper. That's it. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half again. So you're folding it into 8 squares. And then you fold it this way and you chop along this fold here. And then fold it over a wide mouth frog, and then you crease it into place. Now you don't want to use paper that's too thick actually, or cardboard or cardstock, because it is harder to fold, and of course mine are always quite wonky. But then you have a little magazine. You can use pockets or just use it like that. Jennifer's folded hers. It's very wonky, but I made a heart-shaped one. Made myself a template, got my magazine journal here. Fill your paper or fabric with the breathings of your heart. William Wordsworth. Start doing things you love. Let's make one, shall we? And then I'll show you this one. I started to cut this one and thought, do you know, this doesn't even look like a heart shape. So I had another go. I found some painty paper, and this time it was on encyclopedia paper. These old encyclopedia from my parents. We don't use them anymore, do we? And I thought, oh, this is just a nice way to keep using it and remember. Can you see the sellotape on the back? My parents, right up until the last years, they use these the encyclopedias for their crosswords. Isn't that wonderful? So yeah, I think using it like this is a nice way to hold on to them. I've turned the covers into journals. Stay by people that feel like light. Well, just making sure it joins here, up the top and down the bottom. It doesn't matter about this part. And I'm going to get like a rough little heart here. Sometimes it just might feel like scraping paint or brushing paint or dripping paint. This was one of those days where I just was playing with watercolour, and then that means you've got some painty paper. Never stop exploring. Collect beautiful moments. Yes, I'm going to cut that out. Doesn't matter about that bit. Come round here, leaving that little join there, and come down there. Leave that little join at the top. Right, we definitely need to leave this hinge here. And come down at the bottom. Oh, it's lovely. My little mini heart zine. Let's pop my painty paper on here. Get out my glue and pop that on the front. Put some words in here. Let me see. I like this one. Collect happy moments. Collect happy memories. Oh, that's a lovely one. I'll just be doodling. You can put as much or as little on your zines. Just having a little gentle doodle here. Or you might want to put some stickers on. The sky's the limit when you create your zines. Let's put some glue there. And I've put the words more, and I'm going to get my little letters. A bit fiddly. But of course the girls like them. Art more. A R. If you can. If you get the chance to do some art, R-A-R-T. There we are. Even if it's for 5 minutes, and that can be making painty paper, playing. It does help, it really does. Choose to see the good stuff. That's not always easy, is it? Go gently on yourself. You might be just having one of those days. And the zine that came out wonky and didn't work at all, I've just made into an ordinary little mini journal, because I love this eco dye paper. I just make a cover. Have a go. Don't be afraid to have a go. Don't be afraid to go wrong either, because you can just make it into something else, or it's only paper, so don't worry. Let's see, does my stapler? It doesn't reach. Okay, so I will just simply, quite simply, sew this in. 1, 2, and tie it up, and then I'll have a little journal. Put that over on the girls' table, shall I? Here we are, another journal for you. I've got jammy dodgers today for snack time. Look at that, one left. Where did they all disappear to? When we had the jammy dodgers, it reminded me of a card that Amy from Doki Doki Forest sent at Christmas. I've been making up my Christmas card scrapbook with the cards and tags and things that was sent to me in wrapping papers and things. And in the card there was some art. Oh, it's so funny. And there's a little monster in a hot chocolate, and He's wishing. Wish I had some jammy dodgers. Oh, that's lovely, Amy. I love your art. Thank you. Ah. Let me just. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We do appreciate it. It's lovely. Yeah, it's lovely to create together. Let me light a candle. Now let's just approach it however you want to, because we're all different, aren't we? We all approach things in a different way. Individuals, aren't we? I light the candle and you can think of people that are on your heart. Take care, everyone, and follow the links below to other videos in this collaboration. Take care. Collect happy memories. Art more. Practice gratitude. Hello, darling. Make time for yourself. Live life in full colour. With plenty of sparkle. It's time to create, said the heart. It's about time, said the soul. Be kind. Most of all, be kind to yourself.
Freddie's tired. Mum's over here. What are you doing?
I am sorting out all my quilt blocks and getting going on them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm just tacking them to one another, and they've got the stuffing inside. Yeah.
Very nice.
It's just nice to.
So you got to join them together.
Yeah. That's the quilty bit, and then this is the backing. Have I lost that needle again? No, it's there.
Don't lose the needle.
I know. Oh.
And then you've got like a big pile there.
I've got two separate ones. I've got my star one.
Oh, nice.
And my community quilt. Yeah.
Nice.
And what have we had? Jammy dodgers.
Oh, jammy dodgers.
There's the evidence.
Nice.
I know.
Cups of tea, which have gone.
Oh, I know.
Cup of tea.
Of tea.
So is this, would you say, this is quite practical, isn't it?
Very practical.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it's whimsical at all.
Well, I mean, it is whimsical because
It is quite.
if it wasn't, if it was completely practical, it'd just be one piece of fabric.
Absolutely. It wouldn't
Which would be a
take,
lot
like,
more work.
years. Yeah,
Yeah,
I know. Oh, dear.
Yeah. But yeah, looks nice.
Thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
That means stop recording.
I'm going to carry on recording.
No.